Hello, you are welcome. Now, I'm going to show you a simple way to solve this circle geometry question. Now, there are many methods you can apply to solve this problem, but I'm going to take you through the shortest method. Now, from the final answer we're going to get, it will prove to you that this triangle ABD is actually similar to triangle ABC. Let me repeat myself again. The final answer that we're going to get is going to prove to you that this triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC. That is a large triangle. Now, let's start. If you look at this, from this point here to this point is a radius passing through the center of the circle. And then this is a tangent. This line BD is a tangent, just like this line BEC is a tangent. That's a line touching the external part of a circle is a tangent. So a radius and a tangent, when they meet at that point of tangency, they meet at a perpendicular point or at a perpendicular angle. So that means anytime you see a radius line meeting a tangent line, where they meet is equal to angle 90. So that is one of the theorem of a circle, that a radius bisects or is perpendicular to a tangent line. So a radius is perpendicular to a tangent line. Now, for us to look at this, we are going to apply another important triangle property. This is 90 degree. Hope you are seeing that. This is 25 degree. That means we can get this angle A, because sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So if this is 90, then the sum of these two is also 90 degrees, so that we have a total sum of 180. So 90 plus 90 is 180. So if this is 25, that means to get this third one, we have to say 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25 will give us 65 degrees. So if you look at it, 65 plus 25 is 90, and then plus 90. This box means 90 to give us 180. So sum of angle in a triangle add up to 180. Now, finally, because I said I don't want to take you through any long process, finally, if you look at this triangle ABD, this line AD is extended outward. This line AD is extended out. That means goes out, and then it forms this exterior angle 90 degree. So the rule there says that when you have an exterior angle of a triangle, it is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So these two interior angles, which is x plus 65, when they add up together, it will give us the exterior angle of the triangle, which is 90. Don't forget, this box means 90 degree. So that is just the simple trick to apply. And so we have x, which is equal to 90 minus 65. And that will give us x as 25 degrees. And that's the value of x. Like I said before, this value of x, which is 25, shows that you can see this angle is also 25. It shows that this small triangle and this large triangle are similar triangle. But let's not go into that now. So that was what I wanted you to get from the very beginning. And so the value of x is 25, as simple as this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.